Yo, too, what's up with it? It's your boy JD, aka 84 just bring y'all another banger video. You know this channel, go like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumb, all that. We gonna viral 2024, cause it's on the flow. We got him and J-Rock over here, come on now. Got him and J-Rock, and we got that Rango boy over here. Yes, sir. Getting snow, yeah, y'all see. Y'all already know, looking at the ground. Y'all slicks, y'all already know what's going on today. But Big Sexy, even though she on the carport, they just still, the snow still coming up on us, so, it cool though, but I ain't gonna lie though, I'm gonna see what this gonna do. Oh, we finna go ahead and see what this gonna do in the snow. I wanna slide this on the snow. But I still wanna wait till the snow get a little thicker or find a spot where the snow is already thick a little bit. Cause it ain't gonna be no dry spin. Like I said, these tires too wide to slide on dry, of course. So yeah, turn the axle up. Bouncing, but with this, it ain't gonna be no dry spin, it's just gonna be spinning regular, so. Like, well, I ain't gonna say regular, my fault. It's gonna be a wet spin. It's just gonna be, like, the tire just gonna be spinning. Like, it ain't gonna grip. This will be turning my axle up anyway when it grip. Like I said, I got the ski on, so, I don't want all that cold wind hitting my face. So, we just got some junk on today. Got some cream faucets on. Not the white one, but some cream just on, Something slight, God dang, it's cold. That might light out too. But yeah, we finna go ahead and see what they're talking about. Right, we really just, I wanna find a parking lot. Ooh, shoot, it's cold, y'all. I wanna find a parking lot. Cause these ain't, let me find this junk up right quick. Let me find Big Six up right quick. Yes, sirski. It's really a warm start, ain't no cold start, cause I had to go to the store. God, dang, it's cold. But yeah, we finna go drive around. We can't find no spot where it just wet it. I ain't finna do it, cause like I said, I ain't finna turn the axle. We finna go down the street till we're finna see if we can find a lot or something. But yeah, make me a little reel or whatever. See how this thing gonna go. This thing gonna be hard in the snow too. I ain't gonna count. And then look, it's so crazy, y'all. This the first time me driving in the snow. And the Impala, I done had this in the snow for 2 years, so I'm straight. This the first time she been in the snow with me driving. Y'all see it snow all the way up on the cuffs and everything. So yeah, like I said, 2024, like I said, it's just content making for sure. And shoot, I seen we from the snow. Like, Memphis never get snow. Like, this still some baby snow. But it's enough for it to, it's enough for just a wet slide. So, we go ahead and get this on the road. I ain't gonna lie. It's already gonna be hard. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on. I find a cool little parking lot or something. Did I like to know? I'm gonna cut y'all back on. I find a little cool little spot. So, to go slide it right quick. We made to a little small little spot. Y'all see what's going on now. Y'all see what's going on now. Y'all looking sexy now. Look at her now. This just so gangster in the snow. I don't know, cause it's bright on the with it being bright outside, like it got this hard. Let me call it though. This just so hard in the snow. So this her first. Well, me having it, this her first snow. What's it called? Her first snowstorm. Well, snowstorm, but time being in the snow with me. It's just gangster. Quit playing. Yeah, straight like that. So, like I said, I still want to. I spin around this little cone right here too. That cone's out right there too, y'all. I'm gonna really spin around that, and I ain't gonna lie. Go ahead and take over right quick. Let me see what this talking about right quick. Oh yeah, move your finger out for it. See, you're a rookie, y'all. True. I did see what you do. I didn't even drop the junk first and drop the junk down and put it in first. That's why it wasn't just turning the back over.
Oh, that was.
check the answer, see what they ask me. Yeah, they just guys. They just straight. You know, like I said, I ain't doing that. Like it's all. Oh shoot. It's already what's called. Like it's already went. Ain't no dry spin, and I ain't just giving it a lot of gas up. I'm gonna try to spin around this little cone right. Right quick. It's just so fun, y'all ain't gonna lie. My fault, cuz. My fault, cuz. That's why I'm glad, like I said, I ain't giving it too much gas. Let me get the inside view for y'all right quick. This is the first time actually being in the car with me sliding, I ain't gonna lie. Like, let me teach you something right quick. Let me go to a spot where you got some more ice. But this though actually kind of fun. Let me do one more thing. Let me check the answer right quick. It's so crazy, I shouldn't even have to do that. That's the funny thing. I shouldn't even have to do this. Check the axle. I'm just checking it just to see, like I said, ain't nothing. It's just wet. We got it. Like I said, we straight. We just straight. Yeah, we just straight. Let me call it right quick. Yeah, they just still started. Yeah, they just still started, y'all. They still started. It's just so hard in the snow, y'all. I'm gonna take some cool little pieces in the snow too. This the hard. Let me show you something right. Let me show you something right quick, son. So, alright, the first thing to slide, you want to cut the traction off. You want to cut the traction out first. So you cut the traction all the way out. Slap your car in sport. You can slap it in sport. You slap it in sport, drop the gear down to first. If you want to do small circuits, drop it down to first. You want to do some wider circuits, it might, be like, it might go a little wide on this one. Cause when they kick in the second, this just go wide. Let me get y'all a little inside view. They just spin like butter, y'all. This stuff's so fun, y'all. Go back the other way, hello. Go back the other way. We like doing those shit spin. This so fun, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna take me a cool little picture right quick though. Then I'm finna do a reel. I'm gonna do a reel like how everybody be doing with the. Told you, cuz I be really trying to I ain't gonna say bring Camaro back. Yeah, Camaro can slide of course, y'all. But come on now, that's all you see is Dodge. That's all you see. And that's like I said, ain't nobody else in Memphis really bringing content like this. I don't care. Ain't nobody really doing it. This stuff's so fun, y'all. Straight like this. I said, yeah, she straight. I ain't trying to really just spin toward that way anyway. Like I said, I don't put no weight on that. Actually, that's why I had to start spinning toward the right. I ain't spin toward the left. But yeah. I'm finna take some couple pictures right quick. I gotta take them. I was finna say I will drop the top. Like, nah, I ain't finna drop no top. All this snow I finna get in my car. Finna go a couple more times, make a little reel. Dang, them folks spinning. Them folks really slide. But yeah, take some cool little pictures right quick. Then I'm finna go on here and like I said, do this little reel, see what this talking about. And shoot, we trying to go viral again. I'm trying to go viral on Big 6. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a sec. Alright, y'all, we didn't did a little song. Like I said, y'all don't understand why I'm actually mad, because like I said, I don't want to put too much force on that axle. So that's the only reason why I'm not, gonna go ahead and do too much on it. Like I said, let me check it for the last time right quick to see everything straight. See, it's straight. Like I said, it ain't it's dry, it's wet, so it ain't gonna keep on let me feel it right quick, make sure it don't feel wet. I mean, feel loose. Make sure I know the boot ain't coming off of it. Oh. Yeah, we good. It's still sturdy. Like, I know coming out of it. I know grease coming out of it. It ain't ripped, like the boot ain't ripping or nothing. So, like I said, that's the only thing I be hating now. Like, I gotta watch out for this. Cause like I said, I would teach my brother how to slide too. Make that a separate video though. Teach my brother how to slide, but that's the only thing that's stopping me from doing it is this. It's just so gangster, y'all. Oh my God. Chosen, man. Never let nobody tell y'all can't get nothing. Or get nothing or have nothing. Cause the fuck gonna be hating. Just because they can't get it. They can't do it. They don't want to do it. They ain't trying to do it. It's just so gangster, y'all. Yes, sir. These are hard. These are hard. These are actually, like, I ain't gonna lie, these D15s, for they handle in the snow, though. I ain't gonna lie, these are actually do good in the snow. That's why I'm kind of glad I got these jumps over here. These are handle good in the snow. Like I said, we ain't burn nothing. Ain't nothing but ice in them. Couple little pebbles in them. But I'm finna go ahead and get back to the house. I wish my boys they'll get out and go ahead and get do it with me. But hey, they put up a couple on sick, so that's why I got this ski on. I ain't trying to get too sick, but I'm gonna I don't know. I'm gonna end this video when we pull back up to the house. You should have brought the Durango out here. This ain't hard. Yes, sir. But let me go ahead and get back in the car for my hands free. This video gonna be straight. It gonna be straight for sure. This for sure. It ain't y'all. When I had felt and look, this the grease from the old axle. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. When I put my hand up on there, I felt it. Like I said, the axle. No, yeah, I can see it's dry. Like it's straight. It's just the grease from the other axle. It's still a little bit on there, so it almost scared me. I was like, dang. But I'm gonna see what they do. Like when it get dry outside. So when it get dry outside, and I'm gonna hit it, and I'm gonna see it, make sure the axle still straight. Cause like I said, the only thing that be messing me up is it be gripping. Like I said, now it ain't gripping, it would just slide like straight. But when it grip, that'll mess the axle up because it's gripping. And like I said, these tires a little too wide, so I'm straight. But because y'all back on, we pulled back up to the house. I thought we pulled back up to the house. Like I said, it was just a little cool little video. I'm really finna help them get this little this splash shield piece back on her. I don't know how that just came out. But yeah. That shit on fire. It should be one, a cool one in the house though. So I said I had to bring y'all this little video. It was a cool little video too. Shoot. But yes sir, she out here still straight. Parked her back in the driveway. You can close it though. Parked her back in the driveway. She straight. But like I said, when it get dry outside, I'm testing the axle. I'm gonna stomp the joint to see, make sure the joint ain't nothing snapping in them. Make sure everything is still sturdy. That's what we're gonna tell to see if the axle still sturdy. Like I said, the joint didn't grip or nothing. Like it wasn't gripping or nothing. It was really just sliding on the ice. Like and like I said, of course I could have did better. I just brought y'all this video of me just like it just slide. Of course I could have did way better. Like I said, I didn't want to put too much pressure on this axle. I just really want the car the back just to slide. I was just patting the gas a little bit. So don't think like, he can't slide. Go to my IG, you can look at plenty of videos of me slide. But yeah, I wanna see what's going on with the little splash here. Finna go and put the clip back in there. But yeah, new they trying to go like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all that, boy. We're gonna all 2024 because it's on the flow. Ooh, I see y'all in this video. Peace.